In this video, I'll show you how to fix a locked Pinterest account. If you're unable to access Pinterest or the app isn't working properly, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. First, open your device settings and go to Apps or App Management. Find and select Pinterest from the list of installed apps. Once you're on the Pinterest app info page, tap Force Stop and confirm the action. This will completely close the app and stop any processes that may be causing issues. Next, tap Storage and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be preventing the app from functioning correctly. After that, refresh your internet connection by turning off Wi-Fi for a few moments and then turning it back on. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-related. Once you've completed these steps, reopen Pinterest and check whether your account is accessible again. If the problem continues, you may need to update the app or contact Pinterest support for further assistance with account-related restrictions. That's how to fix a locked Pinterest account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.